Hi everyone and welcome back to my final morning report chart appraisal on Tuesday the 3rd of March with me, Rich Pro Market Analyst at Tech Markets. I'm going to look at gold now, and this gold chart continues to remain in this big bear phase, and I think that that is going to be what we're seeing to play out now. This little minor rally that we've seen is just a bear market rally within this bear trend of the medium term. Now I think that what we've seen yesterday is once again a reversal around the 1223 resistance, which again coincides with very close to that 61.8% fib level of 1221, and we saw what I've classed as a shooting star, but it's probably even a little bit more bearish than that, and then subsequently the price has fallen away today. Rallied intraday, interestingly enough, quite a sharp rally after the RBA rates decision, but it's sort of now falling over around that 1210 mark, and I'll just zoom out here and just show you how 1210 is a pivot level on this chart. Interesting that every time you get towards 1210, over the past few weeks actually, it's become a pivot level. Numerous times it's been used as resistance, and once again this is where that rally has just rolled over. So 1210 I'm looking at as an interesting resistance point on this chart. Coming underneath that, obviously that reaction high, 1223 was the move on the 19th of Feb, and again we had that yesterday coming in as resistance. So 1223 is the point at which the sellers are certainly coming back in this chart, and that is the downtrend that comes in there. We're still it's still falling around 1230 at the moment, so there is actually room still within this downtrend for a bit of a rally, but I still think that the bears are in control of this chart. Yeah, I did have that question because obviously we have got these momentum indicators that are showing signs of picking up, but I think that the stochastics are just losing a little bit of that momentum on the upside. You've not seen a crossover yet on that on the MACD lines, and also the RSI just really sort of bumbling along in bearish configuration. So generally speaking, I would say that this is still a negative chart. You've still got the resistance of that fib level. You've still got the resistance of 1223 in place, and I'm expecting further pressure to the downside to be seen in due course. I think that there is still something to play out here, and I expect a further test of that 1190 spot 90 support to be tested once again in due course. And to be honest, until you get a break above that 1223 mark, and subsequently also 1236 being, I think, the confirmation of the breakdown of the medium-term bear trend, purely because you'd be breaking that downtrend. You'd be also above a key reaction high within the downtrend as well. I'd say that would be the point at which you're starting to turn positive again. But so subsequently, we're still in this bear trend, and we haven't yet completed this any sort of a base pattern. So I'm still remaining on the bear side. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you again tomorrow. Thank you.